These are obviously flowers, but so are these. Flowers do not have to have colorful petals. Why wouldn't they? Well, the flowers which possess colorful petals are attempting to attract animal pollinators. But many flowering plants utilize the wind in order to pollinate themselves. If two plants want to reproduce sexually, but are not trying to attract animals, they can produce pollen grains which contain the male gametes, the cells that when they divide become sperm. And if the male parts of the flower are exposed, the wind can blow this pollen from flower number one into the air. And hopefully, just by luck, some of these pollen grains will land on the female parts of the flower of a separate individual. Now, because this is unlikely, those plants which reproduce using the wind as a pollinating agent then produce large amounts of pollen just to compensate for the low odds that any one pollen grain will reach a female part of a flower. And so wind-pollinated flowers are flowers, but they don't have colorful petals since the wind does not care what color the flower is, it will still blow. They do not produce nectar. They do not have a sweet odor. All of these are associated with the flowers which are attempting to attract animals.